Assalamualaikum and good morning, respected judge. First of all, we would like to express our sincere gratitude to our mentor, Madam Nurul Hidayah binti Ahmad Alimi, for her invaluable guidance and support throughout this project. My name is Alif Hakimi bin Kamaruddin, the project leader. Together with me are Muhammad Aiman Najmi bin Mazwid Zuraidi and Muhammad Fazlik Nabil bin Muhammad Rohaizat as team members. We are from College Community Masjid Tanah. Today we are excited to present RailSense, an AI-based passenger density detection system designed to address the critical issue of overcrowding in public rail transport.
The advancement of modern railway transportation systems has significantly increased passenger demand, particularly in urban transit networks. However, one critical limitation remains unresolved: the absence of real-time passenger density visibility within train coach. This limitation leads to inefficiency in passenger distribution, reduced comfort, and challenge in operation decision making.
Railway operators face a blind spot regarding what happened inside the train coach. Without real-time density data, we see extreme overcrowding in certain coaches while others remain empty. This imbalance reduces passengers' comfort and poses serious safety risks. Furthermore, this inefficiency hinders our progress toward sustainable transport. This is why RailSense is a necessity. It bridges the gap between traditional infrastructure and the intelligent, data-driven future we need.
To address this issue, we developed RailSense, a system that uses artificial intelligence, computer vision, and embedded technology to detect and classify passenger density in real time. The system works by capturing live video using a camera, processing the data through a Raspberry Pi embedded system, detected and tracking passenger using AI, classifying density into low, medium, or high. All of this happen in real time, without the need for expensive infrastructure.
RailSense operates through a streamlined, AI-driven workflow. First, data capture. Camera capture the coach environment, feeding live video into a Raspberry Pi. Second, AI processing. Using the YOLO V8 model, we detect passenger with high precision. Step 3, the visual solution. Our system classify density into 3 levels: low, medium, or high, and communicate with via a 3-color LED indicator. By since green, yellow, and red signal at the coach, passenger gain a clear vision of where to board. To validate this, we build a physical prototype using an acrylic.
Our testing achieved an accuracy rate of 85 to 95% with a processing latency within 1 second. The system tracking algorithm is highly stable, preventing duplicate counting. This ensures that the information provided to both passengers and operators is always accurate, real-time, and reliable.
What sets RailSense apart is a low cost, high impact framework. Unlike expensive weight sensing system, we use accessible AI hardware and sophisticated tracking logic. Our system doesn't just count, it tracks movement to ensure precision. Our innovation proves that sophisticated AI solutions don't require massive budget. They require smart engineering.
RailSense is deeply rooted in the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals (SDG). SDG 9, Industry, Innovation and Infrastructure. We are upgrading existing transport infrastructure with AI to make it more resilient and efficient. SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities. By improving the passenger experience, we encourage the use of public transport, reducing carbon emissions and urban congestion. For the nation, RailSense is a direct contribution to Malaysia's smart city roadmap.
To validate our human-centric, we conducted a perception study with 100 respondents among us passengers. The results were positive. 92% agreed the 3-color LED system provided clear density information, and 90% found the real-time updates essential for their boarding decision. Most importantly, 95% confirmed the system was simple to interpret a glance. This metric a proof that RailSense effectively reduces visual stress for passengers, making urban transit more efficiently and comfortable.
RailSense is a scalable product with massive commercial potential for MRT, LRT and KTM service. We have designed it to be plug and play with existing CCTV infrastructure. Crucially, RailSense is officially protected under intellectual property through MyIPO, securing our innovation and strengthening in readiness for strategic industry collaboration and nationwide development. In conclusion, RailSense is more than a monitoring tool. It is a smart, copyrighted solution for modern transit challenges. We are moving towards a future where transport is not just about moving people, but about moving them safely, sustainably, and intelligently. We believe RailSense is a next step in that journey. Thank you.